Hi, I'm going to show you how to prepare rice within half of the cooking time in our new pressure cooker. Put in the rice and drain some water. You don't need a lot of water, you need less than normal. Just spice it with a little bit of salt, and now just close the one hand action lid here within a single move. Put the heat on and wait till it's boiling. Now you can see the steam is coming out here from the valve. It's time to shut down the energy now. Take the pot and just put it on the isolator. Now I just can wait for another 5 minutes and the rice is perfectly done. Just remember, you always get the perfect nice glass lid with it, so you make it a pot for everyday's use. After 5 minutes of doing nothing and relaxing, I can open up the pressure cooker. No worries, if it's still under pressure, you cannot open it. The rice looks really nice and perfect. And now we're ready to serve. We save time, we save nutrition, we save energy, and we have the perfectly done rice in a couple minutes.